Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to automatically calculate subtotals in Excel instantly without writing complex math formulas by hand. Crucial requirement. Before you even click the tool, your data must be sorted by the specific category you want to subtotal, like by region or category. Otherwise, Excel will create random clusters and your data will look like a total mess. First, click anywhere inside your sorted data table. Go up to the main ribbon menu and click on the Data tab. Look all the way to the far right side of the screen in the Outline group and click the Subtotal button. A small window will pop up with three main settings that we need to configure. For the first drop-down labeled At Each Change In, select your sorted category column, for example, Department. For the second drop-down labeled Use Function, ensure it is set to Sum, or change it to Average or Count depending on what you need. For the third box labeled Add Subtotal To, check the box next to the actual numeric column you want to add up, like Sales Revenue, then click OK. Forward-thinking tip. Look closely at the far left edge of your spreadsheet. You will see three small numbers appear in a column, 1, 2, and 3. These are your outline navigation buttons. If you click the number 1, Excel collapses everything to show you only the grand total. If you click number 2, it dynamically collapses the rows to show you a clean, high-level summary of just your subtotals, perfect for taking a quick screenshot to send to a manager or team member. Clicking number 3 expands the table right back to show your original raw data. If you ever need to clear the formulas out and return to your plain text table, simply go back to the Data tab, click Subtotal, and click the Remove All button in the bottom left corner of the pop-up window. This is a 100,000% safe, non-destructive tool that keeps your raw numbers perfectly intact while giving you instant summaries. And that's it. Your spreadsheet is now completely organized and calculated. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.